Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have discussed some other forms of Hermite polynomials. Similarly, in this class, we are going to discuss Rodrigues formula for Hermite polynomial Hn of x, and we should calculate a few Hermite polynomials by using Rodrigues formula. Prove that Hn of x equals minus 1 power n e power x square d power n by dxn of e power minus x square. Here, first we know the generating formula. E power 2tx minus t square equals summation and runs from 0 to infinity Hn of x divided by n factorial into t power n. Now we have to write 2tx minus t square as x square minus of t minus x whole square, because 2tx minus t square equals x square minus x square. Add and subtract x square, 2tx minus t square. X square, take minus sign common in these three terms, minus of x square minus 2xt plus t square. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab form. X square minus a minus b whole square, or x square minus t minus x whole square, both are same. So instead of 2tx minus t square, we can write x square minus of t minus x whole square equals summation and runs from 0 to infinity Hn of x n factorial into t power n. Here n runs from 0. Put n equals 0. H0 of x t power 0, 0 factorial. If n is 1, h1 of x t power 1, 1 factorial, plus h2 of x t square by 2 factorial, and so on. Nth term is hn of x by n factorial into t power n plus hn plus 1 of x t power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 factorial, and so on. Now differentiating both sides partially with respect to t n times and putting t equals 0, we get this is partially dou n by dou t power n e power x square minus of t minus x square at t equals 0 equals nth derivative of this term is 0, because here we have t power 0 is 1. This is a constant. Nth derivative 0. Here we have t. Differentiation of this with respect to t is 1. Second derivative is 0. Similarly, this is t square term. Differentiation of t square with respect to t is 2t. Second derivative is 2. Third derivative 0. Nth derivative is 0. Now take this one, hn of x. Dou n by dou tn hn of x by n factorial t power n. If you differentiate this t power n times, we get this is constant hn of x by n factorial n minus 1, n minus 2, and so on, n minus 1. That is n minus n cancel, minus minus plus, we have 1. This is, instead of this we can write n factorial. Okay, now differentiate this term. If you differentiate this term with respect to n, at the end we have one t term. At t equals 0, the derivative is again 0. At t equals 0, the derivative of this is 0. Now substitute all these terms in this equation. We get hn of x t power n is n factorial by n factorial. All the remaining terms and the terms beyond this are 0. N factorial cancel. Hn of x equals this one. Hn of x equals dou n by dou tn e power x square minus t minus x whole square at t equals 0. Now e power x square is constant. It is free from t. So take it outside. Dou n by dou t power n e power minus of t minus x whole square at t equals 0. Call it equation number 1. It's very important now. Let t minus x equals u. Then dou by dou t value 1. Dou by dou u is again 1. So they are same. Dou by dou t equals dou by dou u. At t equals 0, this becomes x equals minus u. Dou by dou x equals minus dou by dou u, or dou by dou u equals minus dou by dou x. Now consider this term. Dou n by dou tn e power minus of t minus x square equals dou n by dou t instead of dou by dou t, dou by dou u, dou n by dou u n e power minus t minus x is u square of t equals 0. Okay, dou by dou u is minus dou by dou x, minus dou by dou x power n, so write minus 1 power n dou n by dou x power n e power minus x is minus u is minus x minus u square, so write x square. Okay, dou n by dou tn e power minus of t minus x square equals minus 1 power n dn by dx power n e power minus x square. Call it equation number 2. From 1 and 2, hn of x is this term e power x square. The value of this term is equation 2 minus 1 power n dn by dxn e power minus x square. This is the Rodriguez formula for the Hermite polynomial hn of x. Next, to find first few Hermite polynomials, we know that hn of x equals minus 1 power n e power x square dn by dxn e power minus x square. Okay. Now put n equals 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on in the above formula. First one, put n equals 0. h naught of x equals minus 1 power 0 e power x square d0 dx 0 e power minus x square. n e power 0 is 1 e power x square. This becomes 1 e power minus x square. E power x square e power minus x square. Here base is same, add the powers x square plus of minus x square. X square cancel, e power 0 1. Next calculate h1 of x. Put n equals 1 minus 1 power 1 e power x square d by dx e power minus x square. Minus 1 power 1 is 1 minus 1 e power x square. Differentiation of this term is e power minus x square. Differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x. Minus minus plus 2x. This becomes again e power 0, that is 1. Answer is 2 power x. Now put n equals 2. h2 of x equals minus 1 power 2 e power x square d square by dx square of e power minus x square. Minus 1 square is 1 e power x square d by dx of definition of this term e power minus x square minus x square definition minus 2x. Minus 2 take outside, minus 2 e power x square d by dx of x into e power minus x square. Minus 2 e power x square, product rule, x into e power minus x square, again definition of minus x square is minus 2x plus e power minus x square, definition of x is 1. Minus 2 e power x square minus 2 x square e power minus x square plus e power minus x square. Take e power minus x square common, we have 2 minus 2x square plus 1. These two, the power becomes e power 0, that is 1 minus 2 into minus 2x square plus 1. Minus 2 minus 2 4 x square minus 2 into 1 minus 2. This is h2 of x. Now calculate h3 of x. Put n equals 3 in the Rodriguez formula. h3 of x equals minus 1 power 3 e power x square dq by dx cube of e power minus x square. That is, this becomes minus e power x square d square by dx square of d by dx of e power minus x square. Differentiation of this is e power minus x square 2a minus 2x. Take minus 2 common, minus minus plus 2e raised to x square d square by dx square x into e power minus x. Now again differentiate this term with respect to x. X into e power minus x square minus 2x plus e power minus x square 1. This is minus 2x square e power minus x square plus e power minus x square. Okay, 2 e power x square d by dx of e power minus x square common, remaining term 1 minus 2x square. Now again differentiate this with respect to x. 2 e power x square as it is, e power minus x square, differentiation of 1 minus 2x square is 0 minus 4x plus 1 minus 2x square. E power minus x square differentiation is e power minus x square into minus 2x. This is minus 4x e power minus x square. 1 into e power minus x square minus 2x. Minus 2x e power minus x square. Next, minus 2x square into minus 2x minus plus x square into x cube e power minus x square. In all the terms take e power minus x square common. We have minus 4x minus 2x plus 4x cube. 2 e power x square minus x square 4x cube minus 6x equals 2 into e power 0 4x cube minus 6x. 2 into 1 4x cube minus 6x. 2 into 4 8x cube minus 2 into 6 12x. Similarly, we can calculate h4 of x, h5 of x, etc.